If you know, you know. The Yeezy 700 V2 Vanta. This is the blacked out everyday beast. I already showed you the lighter static colorway on my channel, but I had to grab these two. One for clean fits and one for straight up destroying in any weather. Rain, mud, slush, summer heat, doesn't matter. These just keep looking mean and stylish. This is the updated version from kickwho, and honestly, the comfort and materials are top tier. The V2 silhouette is legendary for a reason. Chunky midsole, layered upper, and that aggressive stance that made the Yeezy 700 line one of the most iconic in the game. The Vanta colorway dropped back in 2019 and became an instant classic because it's literally impossible to mess up a fit with all black. Now here's the deal. Since Adidas and Yeezy split, these are gone from retail and they're not coming back. That makes this one of the few chances left to get them fresh. And trust me, once more people realize that, they're gonna disappear fast. For sizing, go half a size up or even a full size if you want that extra room. You can do true to size, but then you're rocking them without thick socks. I went up and the fit is perfect. kickwho really nailed the shape, the build, the feels. It's one-to-one with what these are supposed to be. So yeah, if you missed out back then, this is your shot. And with my code DECENT20, you get $10 off. Check them out now, before they're gone for good.